Listen, one of the most powerful real estate investing strategies that you should be doing is wholesaling real estate. And on this video, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful reasons on why you need to be doing it. Number 1, you don't have to own the property, okay? So many people think when they're getting started in real estate that they're going to have hundreds of thousands of dollars in their pocket to actually own the real estate. In this scenario, with wholesaling, you don't have to own it. Number 2, your risk is extremely low. You know, here's the thing about fix and flips. It looks glamorous on TV, but the reality is it's very high risk, okay? And I have seen so many new investors lose their tail behind a fix and flip, where here, you basically eliminate that risk, okay? And then number 3, the barrier to entry is extremely low. Think about this. If you were actually gonna start, let's say, a restaurant, right? How much capital do you have to have before you even make a dime? You have to buy the business, the facility, the chefs, the food, the cutlery. You have to buy all of those things before you even open the door to make a dime. With real estate, it doesn't take all that. You get a subscription to PropStream. You go on there, that's $100 a month. You skip trace the pre-foreclosure list in your area and you start calling. That's literally how I got started in 2019 as a truck driver, by calling the pre-foreclosure list, y'all. So these are 3 reasons on why you should be doing wholesaling real estate.